And I do invite the court to control this examination. It's been 2 hours of this. Thank you.
Briefly. First of all, I find it offensive that you called Under Sheriff Sanford a prop. I think calling any witness that is rude. And second of all, he completely misstated what Under Sheriff Sanford said. He didn't say, I saw him laying there. Under Sheriff Sanford indicated he was focusing in on the booking video. We have heard repeatedly what their defense is going to be. Lack of knowledge. I didn't know anything. So I believe that it is incumbent upon me to bring up incidences that, yes, we do have knowledge. Yes, there's opportunities. Yes, they did nothing. So I don't think it may be lengthy, but that doesn't mean it's irrelevant.
It seems more like this is an argument that you can make, as opposed to questioning a witness who wasn't there and just watching the same thing that we all watch now, probably several times.
So I think that AG is trying to prove a negative, but my objection is, and I'm looking for clarification, it is irrelevant. There is no policy in place that mandates and that any of these defendants write down and put in a report the physical condition of any inmate. And that came up before and it was never answered. The court asked, is there a policy?
I'll ask you that specifically, but
Well, when you say hand gestures, what do you mean?
Judge, I'm gonna object as to speculation as to what's going on. I understand that we want to sit here and listen to Under Sheriff Sanford pontificate on what he believes is happening or isn't happening, but as far as what it's speculation. That's my objection. Anything that is
well, he's speculating as to the conversation. He admits that is, but he sees the hand gestures.
But ask what it means. So now we're asking to speculate what it means.
The question yet, so let me hear the question.
I didn't ask what the hand gesture meant. I asked what
Oh, she did.
I asked what Under Sheriff Sanford meant when he said he saw hand gestures. I'm asking Under Sheriff Sanford to explain what he means by he saw hand gestures.
That's not what she said.
Well, that's what she's saying.
Does anywhere in the GIS that Deputy Lane filed indicate that Paul Bulthouse had trouble controlling his body on 4/4/2019?
Yeah, go ahead.
Your Honor, I'm going to object as to cumulative and form. This witness has already testified that there was no mention of a physical condition.
It's an exhibit. It's been entered. We've been through this several times. The court has the ability to read it itself and determine whether or not it's in there or it isn't in there. If she wants this witness to do that, then just have him read it. So that way we can all hear what it says instead of picking out and skipping what she doesn't want us to hear.
I'm not picking out anything.
I'm going to rule the objection for that.
Thank you. Anywhere in this GIS does Deputy Lane indicate that Paul Bulthouse had trouble walking on his own and required assistance?
Your Honor, at this point, I'm going to object as to form, as to argumentative. This really sounds like an argument to me, not necessarily a question as to what's going on.
Does anywhere in Exhibit 51, that is Deputy Lane's GIS, mention that Mr. Bulthouse experienced seizures?
Objection, Your Honor.
Just hold on.
First of all, as to form,
I'm going to read all of these, so I don't need to have that right there. So we're getting a little bit cumulative here. Let's move on.